Hare Krishna, welcome to Kanchi Pavalavanna YouTube channel. I'm Radhapati speaking. I hope you are doing well. And today we are continuing the Kanchipuram series with all Divya Desams. Already we covered few temples, and now we are entering. So the another massive temples, not one temple, it is like two temples. Couple of Divya Desams we are going to cover. It's called Pavalavanna Perumal Temple. Pavalavannar or Pavalavannar. It's a very beautiful unknown Divya Desams. So most of them they will forget to visit, and few of them are visiting. And today we are going to take darshan of this Pavalavanna Perumal, and Tayar name is Pavalavalli Tayar. So what is the meaning of Pavalavanna? So Pavala means it is actually coral stone. It is a pure reddish color. And we'll explain the full history. And before that, this is a temple tank, Chakratirtha, without any water. The water completely drawn, and there is no maintenance. And people are many, not everyone, few of them using like a garbage. So the local people are requesting to should take care of this temple pond. Should be neat and clean with fulfilled with of water. And few of the temples like Rangasamy Kulam and Pavalavanna Temple, Yadurthakari Temple, Ulagalanda Perumal Temple, and few of the temple no water, even though it is a rain time. Maybe few weeks only will be the water available, or most of them the pond will be without water. So we have to pray to the Lord to take care of this all things. And before entering, we have darshan of Tulasi Devi, like Tulasi. So we just it is very auspicious for Narayana's temple, Perumal Temple. And before entering, the entrance have like Acharya called Manavala Mamuni, the greatest Acharya after reincarnate of Srimad Ramanujacharya. So Ramanujacharya's reincarnations called Manavala Mamuni, who those visited all Kanchipuram Divya Desams after Ramanujacharya. With the blessings of Acharya, we are entering Pavalavanna Temple, like a beautiful coral stone. What is this history and pastime of this temple? So, as per Kanchi Mahatmyam, Kanchi Puranam, Brahma performed the greatest yajna forever, Ashwamedha yajna. But Saraswati Mata not participated, since the complete misunderstood. Saraswati Mata separated from Brahma, and Saraswati wants to destroy this yajna with a river form, and she sent many demons like asuras, and the Supreme Lord Narayana destroyed all demons, and the full of demons blood spreaded in the body of the Lord Bhagavan. And after that, the self-realization received by Saraswati Mata after surrendered the Supreme Lord Narayana, and she realized, and the Supreme Lord, it is actually absolutely Narayana himself, like Varadaraja Perumal. And Saraswati Mata surrendered, and Saraswati Mata had a wonderful darshan with the blood of all asuras, demons. So the body is fully different, even though it is a blood color like coral stone, reddish color. Saraswati Mata so pleased and happiest moment in her life. After that, Saraswati surrendered. The Supreme Lord allowed to participate in the Brahma's yajna. So this is the history of this temple. So we have to realize ourselves we are absolute servant, simple servant of the Lord and devotee of the Lord. We have to surrender. So whenever you go to Kanchipuram, please visit this temple. And opposite another beautiful temple is there. We are going to cover there. And Pavalavanna Perumal, it is the absolute greatest temple with a reddish color. And the one of the Alvar, Thirumangai Alvar, visited here and glorified with pasrams. And we are taking darshan because of Alvar's grace and Srimad Itiraj, like Ramanujacharya's mercy. So now we are successfully covered this wonderful one of the oldest temple of Kanchipuram. Where is this temple located? It is very near to Ekampareshwara and Kamakshi Devi temple, in between, like a half kilometer from Kamachi temple, and 1 kilometer from Ekampur, another temple. And from bus stand, it is 1.5 kilometer towards Chennai Bangalore road called Kalandar Teru. So one of the oldest and very most peaceful temple. If you have like japa beads, like japa mala, please take it with you always while you're going these kind of Divya Desams, auspicious place, and sit and make chant. See, the people are very less and no sound. Only the birds will fly and the keep on sounds. It is like pleasure to hear and peaceful, most peaceful darshan of the Perumal and Tayar, Pavalavalli Tayar. See, this is Tayar Sannadhi, Lakshmi Devi Sannadhi, and very, very amazing place. So we are living with complete stress life, depression life, and tension life. If you are visiting these kind of beautiful heritage temples, Divya Desams, oldest places, definitely mind will fall in the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. So we have to follow and make obeisance and thank to God. And successfully we had a darshan of Pavalavanna Perumal Divyadesam. Now we are leaving to another temple which is located just opposite. It's called Pachaivanna Perumal. It is Pavalavanna and that is Pachaivanna. Pachaivanna means it is greenish body, like emerald color, emerald stone color. The sage called Marishi had a longing questions for so many years, performed yajna in Kanchipuram, and finally he had a darshan of the Supreme Lord. And he had questions about especially Rama's pastimes, Ramayana. And the Supreme Lord himself explained about the glorifies and questions, all kind of doubts cleared by Supreme Lord in the form of Lord Ramachandra. So sage Maharishi is so happy to receive this wonderful place. This is not a Divya Desam, this is Abhimanasthala, and Pavalavanna temple is a Divya Desam. Even though it is opposite temple, we must visit these temples too, like Pachaivanna Perumal. The Supreme Lord Ramachandra appeared here front of sage Maharishi, and the Tayar, it is actually Sita Devi, Sita and Ram. So dedicated to, even though it is standing in like a Narayana form, but Ramachandra appeared here. So with a greenish body, like emerald stone color. Very beautiful temple and must visit temple. This temple is very opposite to Pavalavanna temple and backside of Kamakshi Devi temple and Ekamparnatha temple. It is very close to located. See the beautiful Tulasi. Always Tulasi is the first servant. So remember Perumal and Narayana, Hari, Rama, Krishna, Narasimha, all the Supreme Lord's name remembered by Tulasi Devi. Without Tulasi Maharani, we can't approach the Supreme Lord. We have to approach the devotee before God. We have to approach Guru before God. We have to approach Acharya before God. So the best lesson received us. And here instantly the Supreme Lord Narayana appeared as a Ramachandra without Lakshmana. The Adishesha is Lakshmana himself. Adishesha felt bad, so is not able to appear. So there is no chance. So the Supreme Lord accepted as Adishesha as a form of Adishesha. So here Pachaivanna Perumal sitting in the lap of Adishesha. Even like the few temples, Sainakola, and the lying on the bed, like bed of the Adishesha. Here it's like a sitting. Lakshmana Adishesha is a bed of Narayana. Here sitting form with the Ramachandra form. Very nice place and must visit place. And thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this couple of temples. Please visit all Kanchipuram, all Divya Desams and support us. Thank you so much. We'll meet in another wonderful temple. Hare Krishna.